Hey guys, my name's Destynation. Welcome to Dust Plays the Impossible Quiz. Uh, so, as we all like to know, I had hiccups for some reason. Uh, as we all like to know, I like to challenge myself. And what better way to challenge myself than do a quiz that has literally impossible in the title? Dang it. I should. Let's begin. Oh, look, Newgrounds. Okay. Let's start. Question number 1. How many holes in a polo? 4. Oh. Can a match box? Yes, no, but a tin can't. Okay. Click the answer. Don't touch blue. I'm not touching blue. Shallots. Answers. Really big? No! It's an elephant. Oh, yay. Yes. That one. Uh. Fitting? Torch. H-O. I'm just gonna, skip through, the first 30 questions because I already know them by heart. Dang it. And then we can get. Oh, I have one life left. I'm so screwed. Oh, dang it. Then we can get to the real hard stuff. B. O. G. G. No! Okay. Watch carefully. Dang it, these hiccups. I hate them. This one. This one's good. Right. Oh, click the V in lives. How do you kill a werewolf? Shoot wash? Oh. Okay. That one. No! No! It's question number 28. I forgot for a second. I was like, what question are we on? Abundance! Talk. Or tap. What is that? No. Oh god, shoot me. Shoot me, come on. I cannot do stuff like that. I told you! I told you! 4. Tin can. Okay. Horse. Age 17. Parent B. Seal. Because who wouldn't want the seal? The heck? Okay, is this the one we were on? Okay, is it egg mayonnaise? Okay. No, this was the one we were on. Go on! Okay, we can do this. So. Boom! 3 times. Okay. Cricket. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Oh. Yeah, see, I know most of these, but I don't know all of them because of reasons I don't even know. So walk. Do what's the right answer? No. Okay. Mary Rose. Oh, I don't remember this. No. Okay. Oh my, no. Don't even. Okay. Press a little effort. Okay. It's 42. So 1, 2, 3, 4. What? But that's 42! I'm regretting this already. It's only, 5 minutes in? Oh my goodness. I hate this. How come I always make the worst decisions in my life? Like, I don't even know why. Hey, let's play the impossible game, even though it has impossible in the friggin' title. Let's play it anyway. Okay. There should be no reason why, I wouldn't be able to beat that. Let's see her. Okay. 8 minutes. Oh god, please no. Please no. Come on, we can do this. Determination, come on, we can do it. We can do it. Yes! 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 Oh my goodness. Games like these are going to be, the death of me. They're going to be the reason why I have gray hair at 21. Okay, I don't know this though. I don't. No. What? What? I don't know. Okay, we'll pick this up. Bye.